सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और बेल आइकॉन को दबाइए हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
My name is Vivek Agarwal. I live in Gurgaon, and I have been having a problem with my right ear. The problem has been there since maybe I was 15 years old, and while swimming or due to some problem, I don't know what, I developed a perforation in my eardrum. I have been living with the problem for past 40 years. I came over to Dr. Manish Prakash here in Mayom hospital because my ear was stuffed. He inspected the ear and he told me that there are some excellent ways, some easy ways to get the treatment done. I was always afraid of getting the stitches, so that is why I postponed the problem for 30 years. He told me there's an endoscopic way of getting the eardrum replacement, and I was thrilled. I said, if it is endoscopic, that means I will have very less of a pain, very less of a recovery period. And he guided me thoroughly about it, that how much time would it take, how much time would the operation take, how much time would the recovery take, and I opted for it. I said, okay, please give me the next available appointment. He gave the next available appointment whenever it was possible out of his busy schedule, and then he conducted the operation. The operation went thankfully quite well. Whole of the staff was very supportive. The Mayom hospital, I must say, is a very convenient hospital for people. Unlike the very big hospitals where there would be a plethora of people coming in and you don't get noticed at all. Over here, it is like after coming to this hospital for a couple of times, I know nearly everybody and everybody nearly knows me. So it's a small, personalized kind of a service that is available in the hospital. But that apart, about the operation, it went really well. Doctor advised me. It is not that the doctor just told me that, okay, the operation has been done and you are off. No, it was not like that. He called me repeatedly, every 5 days or 10 days or thereafter. He kept on increasing. So the doctor was keeping a vigil on how the performance of the operation is going on, and it's an operation. So if during the healing process, if some correction needs to be done, he gets the correction also done. He did some correction, some improvement for my ear, and thankfully today when I'm giving this particular feedback, just before that the doctor showed to me that on my eardrum there's a blood vessel which is growing. So now the eardrum has become live. It was an excellent feeling that now the problem that I have been living with for the past 3 decades has been resolved in a matter of 2 to 3 months approximately, and there is no pain, there is no cut anywhere, there is no inconvenience, and immediately after the operation, it was hardly noticeable. There was just a very small cotton bud which was coming out of the ear. I could go to the office, and overall the experience has been excellent, and the staff of the hospital has been very, very supportive at all points in time. Thank you. Again, my name is Vivek Agarwal. I live in Gurgaon.